Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque D200 Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Santorini black. Starting our journey from the front of this vehicle, where you will locate your pixel LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading on the sides of this vehicle, you're going to find further features all courtesy of the black exterior pack, as it sits with utmost pride on a set of 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels. To the rear, you will notice your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the sleek look of your rear LED tail lights. Opening the power tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space, perfect for a weekend's worth of luggage or even a canine companion. Rear passengers will certainly enjoy their ebony and cloud Windsor leather seats. And as we glimpse into the cockpit, we'll also reveal your 14-way driver memory electric heated memory front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a close look now at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design and a wide array of features at your disposal, and advancing over to your 11.4-inch Pro touchscreen before finalise our journey by looking up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque, which we have here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.